Oo. Kakasuka.
Susundin niyo marami. Bali ganito po. 7 attractions siya combining walk and drive-thru. Sa drive-thru po, sariling sasakyan niyo po yung gagamitin niyo para makapunta kayo sa rin ng attraction niya. So, service lang naman yung sasakyan niyo. Every attraction, bababa pa rin kayo para makita niyo yung mga animals. So, hindi siya sa gilid lang ng kalsada. Papasok talaga kayo. Pagdating po sa Tiger Safari Ride, may mag-a-assist sa inyo para i-transfer kayo sa gate. So, kasama na yun sa entrance po. Then, yung
Iiwan niya yung sasakyan doon.
every attraction may parking area.
Okay.
So, yung tour naman na yan, wala siyang oras. Since, pwede yung unahin yung walking, pwede yung unahin yung drive-thru, kahit alin yan, pwede yung unahin. Pero kung maaga-aga pa, mas maganda unahin yung walking. Walking natin, across the street lang po. Yan lang, sa kabila lang po. Makikita nyo naman kagad yung signage po. Pag sa drive-thru naman, diretso uli kayo sa guardhouse, then present yung gate pass nyo para makapasok kayo sa loob. May mga signages po yan, one way lang din naman po sa loob. May parking area bawat attraction. Then free flow tour tayo means wala po tayong
Oras,
permit na kasama. Pero every attraction may mag-a-assist po. Yung other amenities natin, yung mga feeding, photo, souvenir, sa loob na po ang payment. Optional lang naman. Tapos, hindi ko sure kung may animal show po.
Tuwing kailan lang po ba yun?
Actually, ngayon meron din kami ngayon. Hindi lang namin alam kung baka kasi pagod na yung ilang days na kasi animation. Or kasi half day po yung mga yan.
Pag ngayon kami, hindi namin pwedeng ituloy bukas. Ganun. Naka-check-in naman.
Kung gusto nyong unahin yung walking, pwede naman habang inaano pa po yung walking, inaayos po.
Pero yung
po lang naman siya.
yung animal show.
Yung animal show kasi 1:30 ang pinakalas namin. So,
Wala na.
pwedeng unahin nyo to animal show. Ay, yung walking
Walking
natin.
attraction.
Diyan lang naman kasi walking namin. Serpentarium, pwede nyo puntahan na sa loob lang naman ng backer yan. Then, kung tomorrow i-continue, pwede pa naman.
Pwede.
Ano picture ba? Photo.
So, hi guys! We're here at the Zubik Safari! Yay! And we're going to stay here at the Cloud9. Yes. Samahan nyo kami kasi what's in there, Jace? Dane? Hotel, yes. Medyo nakamura kami kasi lang siya, all in na. Meron ka lang free breakfast at the same time, wait lang nak. Free breakfast at hello daw muna, sabi ni Jace. Hi Jace.
And look at this.
Oh yeah. So we're here at the Cloud9 where will be our home for an overnight stay, right, Dane?
Yeah, hi guys.
Yes. So mura to kasi nakapag-book kami sa Klook. Medyo may mga promo sila, like for us, ang nakuha namin ay free stay for 4 with free breakfast. Yan. Tapos meron ka na rin akong ticket para sa zoo. Yan. There you go. Mamaya samahan nyo kami.
May mga baby, may mga baby.
Manok.
Wow! So, here we are. Yay! Here's our room. There you go. Thank you po. Naku, kasya ba tayo dito? Ang bango naman. Wow. Very clean. So, saan matutulog si Dane?
Sa labas.
Yan, may pull out pala. Pull out bed.
Or two.
There you go for 2.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay na yung maximum.
Yay.
Slipper sa labas.
Wow, water for 4.
Okay.
Ano yan?
Binubuksan mo.
Yeah. Hi, Jess. Yay!
Aray! Ang ganun pala yung amoy nila.
Jace, come here. Ganyan.
Ganyan. Yan. Yan na, Dubai daw. Dubai. Dubite.
Ano ba yan?
Dubai. Ano?
Taiwan beer.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Ano yan?
Palawan beer.
Yung saan yan eh? Pag, o yung sa universe, ano?
O, picture kayong tatlo. Dali.
Si Mami talaga.
And by the way, my name is Kim. But before we start the show, I just want to ask for your cooperation because some of our animals are still on training. So please remain seated during the presentation and refrain from making unnecessary noise or movements. You can take videos and photos, but please turn off your camera flashes. All of these things will make our animals comfortable in their new home and enhance their performance. Thank you for your cooperation. Now, as we join you in this day of entertainment, let us present to you our wonderful animal friends, and of course, our Aita brothers and sisters that showcase the wonders of Subic Safari. So sit back, relax, and get ready with your cameras, because we are about to make this a memorable afternoon for all of you. And to start with, let's give it up for our Aita brothers and sisters as they perform some of their traditional dances, which will give us a glimpse of the beauty of their culture. When we talk about the existence of Aitas, history will tell us that long before the Americans came here and converted this whole Subic forest into their military facilities, Aitas have already been living here and whose culture have been preserved and handed down from generation to generation. That is why here in Subic Safari, we highly regard and revere our Aita brothers as the true owners of the forest. Indeed, this is their ancestral land. For their first dance, they have the Dragon Fly Dance or Sayaw na Tutubi, Whenever they see a group of dragonflies swarming around, they believe that this indicates the arrival of rainy season. And along with the rainy season comes the planting season. This is also their means of informing the whole tribe about the sudden changes of the weather. Their next dance is called monkey dance or sayaw ng unggol. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and there is no other animal who match the skills of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging, while the Lady Aita is doing the sayaw ng pangangapa or the hand fishing dance. Their third dance is war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding arises in between two tribes, they usually send their young men into the actual battlefield. But before that, they will first perform this dance to as guidance from their god called Apo na Malyari to lead them into a victorious fight or somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful manner. Last, isayaw ng pamamaramag, a courtship ritual dance where two or more young men are trying to compete to win the heart of a young woman in the form of dance. By displaying different varieties of movements that portray love, beauty, and bravery, and whoever will be handed over with the handkerchief of a rival lady will be the lucky man to lead her heart. Wow, that was amazing! How about a big round of applause for our Aita brothers and sisters, the pride of Subic Bay Forest. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my buddy and friends. Our Brahman demons! Come on guys, clap your hands. They will really love to hear you clapping. Make it louder! Come on, clap to the beat. Let's go guys, let's put the show on the air. Wow, that was simply sensational. How about a big round of applause for our fine and furry friends. By the way, for some updates and information, you can visit our website www.zumanity.com.ph. And now, let's give it up for our dancing poodle and Harris McCoy. Wow, that was simple. you how we train our animals here in the park. Training describes the many ways to look after their physical and mental well-being. We use the system called positive reinforcement training. So whenever animals do a certain behavior that we want them to do, we give them anything they like as a reward. We do not punish, force, or hurt our animals. And in this way, we build a relationship based on trust. And now let me introduce to you our African gray parrot named Timney. Hello there, Timney. Happy afternoon. By the way, Timney loves to play basketball. So Timney, show them what you've got. Timney picks the ball. Now walking on the table. Oh, he's not climbing on the ladder. Come on, Timney, shoot that ball. With a nice down shot there, Timney. Watching you makes us sweat. I think Timney is now ready for the Olympics. And don't you know one thing that we observed about Timney was that every time he sees a peso on the ground, he picks it up and tries to save it by putting it in his coin bag. I think Timney is trying to save this money for his enrichment. Now everybody think about this, especially for the kids. If you want to buy something, then try to save money instead of asking our parents to buy for us. Isn't it amazing how we can buy the things that we really want for extra money? And for those who have your coin or peso bill and willing to give it to our animal friends, you can put it in the donation box right after the show. How about a big round of applause for our African gray parrot named Timney? And now we are on the next part, which is the Animal Encounter Show, where you will meet some of our wonderful animal friends up close and personal, as we tell you more information about them and their unique personalities. And during the show, I'll be asking volunteers from the audience to assist. And this is your chance to use your cameras and video cam for an up-close and personal photo opportunity. Okay, for our first animal feature, I'll be needing a one kid volunteer. Okay, I need one kid volunteer for anyone. Come on guys, I need your cooperation. Yes, you Kuya, can you please join me here? Kuya with the glasses, okay? Please join me here on stage po. Okay, Kuya, please watch your step while going down. Okay, can someone assist my volunteer po? Come on, Kuya. Come on. Okay, Kuya, stand up here. Hello, Kuya. Happy afternoon. What is your name? Carlo. Okay, Kuya Carlo, all you have to do is put your right arm like this. Now, Kuya, are you ready to meet our first animal friend? Yes. Okay, and since you're ready, please welcome our Philippine Eagle Owl, and here is Michael. Hello there, Michael. Happy afternoon. Okay, Kuya Carlo, just relax. We'll put Michael on your shoulder. Okay, once again, this is Michael, our Philippine Eagle Owl. It is vulnerable species of birds that belongs to the Sirigidi family. They are locally known as Quaco or Bukao. And don't you know that an owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels or tearing tendons? Kuya Carlo, what can you say about Michael? He's heavy. Heavy, okay. I'm gonna be round of applause for Michael and for Mikey, volunteer. Thank you so much, Kuya. And here's your keychain from Zubik Safari. Thank you. Okay, this time again, I'll be needing another one kid volunteer. How about on this side po? I need one kid volunteer on this side. Anyone? Yes, you Ate. Can you please join me here? Come on, Ate, please join me here. Okay po, can you please make way to my volunteer? Thank you. Okay, ate, please take her phone. Come on, ate. Okay, ate, stand up here in the center. Hello, ate. Happy afternoon. What is your name? Ali. Okay, ate, are you excited to meet our next animal friend?
Yes.
Okay, ate, since you're excited, all you have to do is put your right arm like this. And now, please welcome our amazing bird, and here is Red. Hello there, Red. Okay, ate, just relax. We'll put Red on your shoulder. Okay, by the way, this is Red, our Eclectus parrot. They originated from Papua New Guinea and can live approximately up to 40 years in captivity. And don't you know that they have sexual dimorphism, which means male are commonly green while the female are commonly red with a purple pant on their wings. Now, ate, what can you say about Red? Speechless. Anyway, so a big round of applause for Red and for my brave lead volunteer. Thank you so much, ate. And here's your keychain from Zubik Safari. Thank you. Okay, this time again, I'll be leading another one key volunteer. Anyone? How about on this side? Yes, you, Kuya. Can you please join me here? Come on, Kuya. Hello, Kuya. Happy afternoon. What is your name?
Man.
Okay, Kuya, are you ready to meet our next animal friend?
Yes.
Okay, Kuya, since you're ready, all you have to do is put your palms up like this. And now, please welcome my friend, and here is Bella. Hello there, Bella. Happy afternoon. Okay, Kuya, just relax. We'll put Bella on your palms. Alright, by the way, this is Bella, our bearded dragon. They originated from Australia and they got their name from their throat, which is covered with dull spikes. And don't you know that their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature? At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergo gender reversal and develop as a female. Interesting, right? Now, Kuya, what can you say about Bella? Okay, I'm gonna be a round of applause for Bella and for my brave kid volunteer. Thank you so much, Kuya. And here's your keychain from Zubik Safari. Thank you. Okay, this time I'll be needing one adult volunteer. How about a lady volunteer? Go on, need a lady volunteer. Anyone? Come on, guys, I need your cooperation. Yes, you, ma'am. Can you please join me here? Okay, can you please leave your belongings first? Thank you. Come on, ma'am. Okay, come on, ma'am. Please be careful. Hello, ma'am. Happy afternoon and mabuhay. What is your name po?
My name is Krisa.
Krisa. Okay, ma'am Krisa, do you have any idea what is our next animal friend?
Either monkey.
A monkey. Let's see. Now, please welcome our charming umbrella cockatoo, and here is Coco. Hello there, Coco. Happy afternoon. Okay, ma'am, stand up here. Now let's see some demonstration that Coco learns here in Zubik, and that is the handshake. How about on the other side? Now, Ma'am Krisa, listen to me. I will give you a chance to ask 2 questions to Coco, answerable only by yes. And if he nods his head, meaning he said yes. Now, Ma'am, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, since you're ready, what is your first question?
Am I pretty?
Coco, is she pretty? Oh, yes, you are. How about your next question, ma'am?
Am I sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Oh, let's think about it. I'm sorry about that, ma'am, but you can ask him again. Come on, ma'am, one more time.
Am I sexy?
Coco, is she sexy? Of course you are. And don't you know that Coco is a good TikTok dancer? Now, how would you give Coco a chance to dance with you? Well, that's great because I think Coco will love you to join him dancing with a famous TikTok challenge. Okay, everybody clap your hands and mom, you can do it, just follow us. Come on, Coco. Come on, na. Okay, wait. Okay, turn around. One more time. Come on, Coco. Good job. Alright, so such a good dancer, but we are not done yet. By the way, Coco has a sweet personality. Now he is going to kiss his trainer on the cheek. How about on the other side? Okay, what? Is that something? You want to kiss Mama on the lips? Mom, would you give Coco an opportunity to kiss you on the lips just a little bit? Well, that's good. And Mom, all you have to do is stand up here, pout your lips, and slow down slowly in the count of 1, 2, and 3. How sweet! Alright, but before you go, how about a wave goodbye to everybody? Everybody say bye! Okay, how about a round of applause for Coco and for my lady volunteer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, this time again, I'll be needing another 1 adult volunteer. How about on this side po? I need 1 adult volunteer on this side. Anyone? Come on guys, I need your cooperation. Okay, how about in the center? An adult volunteer. Yes, you sir. Can you please join me here? Come on, sir. Okay, sir, please watch your step while going down. Okay, while waiting for my volunteer for some updates and information, you may like our Facebook page, Zubik Safari. Come on, sir, can you please stand up here? Hello, sir. Happy afternoon and mabuhay. What is your name po?
Bayani Matanglawin.
Bayani Matanglawin. Bayani Matanglawin. Okay, sir. Bayani Matanglawin. All you have to do is put your palms up like this. Now, sir, are you excited to meet our next animal friend?
Yes.
Why so, sir?
Selot na lang.
What kind of animal is it, sir?
I think it's a snake.
A snake, really? Okay, let's see. Now, please welcome my buddy, and here is Nakisig. Hello there, Nakisig. Happy afternoon. Okay, sir, just relax. We'll put Nakisig on your palms. Okay, by the way, this is Makisig, our green iguana. They can be found in tropical areas of Caribbean. They can grow up to 6 feet long and can live approximately up to 20 years in captivity. And don't you know, on the top of their head, these lizards have a third eye. Even though it does not produce images, it is a very important element for them. Now, sir, what can you say about Makisig?
Very scary. Scary
Kaylee, okay? How many big round of applause for McKissick and for my brave adult volunteer? Thank you so much. And here's your appreciate from Civic Safari. Thank you. Okay, this time again, I'll be needing another one lady volunteer. Anyone po? Come on, guys. Yes, you ma'am. Can you please join me here? Okay. Please watch your step po. Come on, ma'am. Okay, once again, while waiting for my volunteer for some updates and information, you can visit our website www.zumanity.com.ph. Come on, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Happy afternoon. What is your name? Kara. Okay, ma'am. All you have to do is put your palms up like this. Now, ma'am, can you do me a little favor? Can you promise me anything we'll put on your palms and on your hands? Please do not drop it. Can you promise me that? I'm not sure. Don't worry, ma'am. All of our animals here are safe, tame, and friendly. Now, ma'am, can you promise me? Yeah. Now, ma'am, are you ready? How about the audience? Are you ready? Okay, and since you're all ready, please welcome all the way from Serpentarium, and here is the side. This side. Okay, ma'am, just relax. All you have to do is to follow the instructions of our handler. Come on, ma'am, you can do it. Mom, why are you shaking? Alright, by the way, this is Kisai, our albino Burmese python. They can grow from 30 to 25 feet long and can weigh as much as 200 to 400 pounds. Pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscle to squeeze or overpower their prey. Now, ma'am, what can you say about this side? She's very heavy. Is it your first time to touch an animal like this? Yeah. And I think it's a great experience for you, right? Yeah. Only here in Zubik Safari. And with that, everybody, please listen to this environmental issue. Now, folks, that you have met some of our wonderful animal friends, now is the right time to talk about them. The reason why these animals are here is because they serve as the ambassadors of their own species in the environment which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat. So, in behalf of the Zubik Safari Management, we would like to remind you of your contribution to the environment, and that is to reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and respect. Maraming salamat po. See you on your next visit and enjoy staying here. Once again, thank you so much for watching Zubik Safari's Animal Show. And for those who want to give donation, you can put it here in the donation box, and the amount is high.
Please, bilisan mo na yan.
Aircon na. Binaril sa ulo.
Please, kainin mo yung pagkain mo sandali. Mga tuloy.
Salmon coat.
Mga tuloy yan. Anak, makulit
History of taxidermy. Feral coat.
Layo ko dumaan dyan.
Ano kaya kung gato?
Ikot pa ako ulit, sorry.
O, yung kamay ah. Kamay ah. Ayan na.
Oh, kain ka nga daw, oh.
O, yung kamay ah. Hindi ah. Yung kamay ah. Yun na yun. Kumain.
Picture. Hindi na tayo.
Yun. Hindi na makuha.
Hindi man. Pati kami na ate. Ay po yung sa doon.
Ganun ah. Apat sa tayo.
Balik na naman ang po nilabas namin. Sir, lapit kayo sir. Darawa kayo naman. Picture ako lang. Ate lang. Balik po yan, 9 years old na po si Tom.
9 years old ko.
Tom and Jerry.
Bill.
Dito ko.
Here.
Sir, picture ako lang di kayo dyan sir. Ma'am, sama kayo ma'am. Sama kayo. Ano, ayaw na dito. Ayaw na dito.
Cheese.
Sabi ko kayo sir, para makapag.
Yung days kayo mami.
Laki naman ang yan.
Kain mo ah.
Nene, sa bubong.
Bubong daw, sa bubong. Yun!
Ay! Ay! Ayan siya!
Nasaan doon niya?
Mansik yung pagkain. Daybird, hello! Dave, Ate Dane. Busog ka dito, Ate Dane. Yan.
Busog dito. Dito. Makakain siya ng ano.
Ay, hawak ka lang dito eh.
Ayun o. Jay, sa Tasha. Ang bigat niya.
Nene, yung mga natin mo dito eh. Natin mo.
Lahat Lato-lato. Lato-lato mo, baba ka na daw.
Pababa na.
Kaya! Tulong pa sila eh!
Lato-lato mo daw. Tama na.
Kaya rin, baba na!
Ayaw bumaba.
Ay, baba na! Hey!
Kasama daw siya.
Kaya rin, baba! Kaya rin!
Tawag.
Kaya rin, baba! Ayaw na yata gusto mag-ride. Meron pa oh! Baba, baba!
Ayaw buo.
Kaya rin oh! Sige, baba! Baba, sige!
Yan.
Yun. Bye-bye. Pa.
Smile ka po!
Smile.
Wala, isa pa! Isa pa! Smile!
Smile. Smile.
Kaya
Kuya, ilan silang nasa ano?
dalawa lang po yun ma'am.
Ah, dalawa na.
Tom and Jerry lang pala eh.
Bali yung ibang tiger ma'am nasa kids nila po.
Ah,
Mamaya makita niyo po.
Grabe.
nasa cage.
Thank you, Jerry!
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye. Mabon.
Pera? Wala pera? Naubos lang.
100 lang din pala yung crocodile feeding.
Lalim din eh. Ano pala sila? Pero hindi sila hindi sila makakatalon. Matalon na sila.
Chicken wings lang daw. Chicken wings. Ano? Chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Nakuha ka agad.
Gusto ko mag-try.
Ang ganda niya. Drumstick.
Maganda pagpapakain mo.
Susubo mo lang. Ayaw mo lang.
Ay, nahuli.
Drumstick. Busog pa po. Busog pa po, busog pa. Oh. Nahawa ko. Ay, nawala. Oy. 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 Ooh.